Have your windshield wipers started leaving streaks everywhere? Or maybe they're squeaking, chattering across the glass, or even missing entire sections of your windshield? These are all signs that your wiper blades have reached the end of their life. The good news is, replacing them is one of the easiest car maintenance jobs you can do yourself, and it only takes a few minutes. Today I'll show you how to replace a U-hook style windshield wiper blade safely and correctly. Before you begin, make sure you've purchased the correct replacement blade. Before removing the old blade, place the new wiper's cardboard box, a folded towel, or a thick cloth on the windshield underneath the wiper arm. This provides a layer of protection in case the spring-loaded arm accidentally snaps back while you're working. Without the wiper blade attached, the exposed metal arm can easily chip or crack the windshield. Now rotate the wiper blade until you can clearly see the locking tab. Press the release tab while sliding the blade downward toward the open end of the U-hook. Once it reaches the end, rotate the blade and lift it out of the hook. The old wiper blade is now removed and you're ready to install the new one. After removing the old blade, take a moment to quickly clean the U-hook area. Wipe away any dirt, dust, or rust so the connector is clean before installing the new wiper. This helps ensure a smooth fit and prevents any debris from affecting the locking mechanism or causing noise during operation. Now take your new wiper blade. Insert the U-hook through the opening in the adapter. Rotate the blade so the hook follows the guide inside the connector. Keep sliding it until you hear or feel a click. That click tells you the locking mechanism has engaged. Give the blade a gentle pull to make sure it's securely attached. If it slides out easily, it isn't locked correctly, so repeat the installation until it clicks firmly into place. And that's it. Replacing a U-hook windshield wiper blade is a simple DIY job that takes only a few minutes, but can make a huge difference in visibility and driving safety. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy automotive DIY tutorials.